Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color of your photo using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you have to open your Photoshop application on your mobile phone. And after you have opened your Photoshop application, you can choose a photo you want to change the background color. For instance, I'm going to change the background color of this photo. We just need to click on the photo and we can go to the background. Go to background right here, and you just need to select the color you want to apply to your photo. For instance, I'm gonna go with this green color, and as you can see guys that the color has been changed. And if you want to save your photo, you just need to click on this button to save the photo to your gallery. Okay, now the photo has been saved to my gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the background color of our photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.